peace and satisfy you all the greatness and we'll miss you.
Hello, Ma'am Azzy. I'm gonna miss you. I hate you for leaving, but, you know, okay lang din kasi I know you're gonna do great things. So, see you when I see you and text na lang tayo kapag may update na tayo kay Bye-bye!
Hi, Ma'am Azzy. Mamimiss kita. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na super proud ako sa'yo. Isa ka sa pinaka-reliable, pinaka-efficient na taong kilala ko. Na-miss lang talaga ako how you juggle things in your life. And I know you'll do great. You'll do amazing. In whatever path you'll take. And we're just here to support you. Mamimiss ko yung mga tawanan natin, mga kulitan natin. Kung pwede sana mag-extend kahit 1 year lang. Ma'am, sige na. Joke lang. Pero yun. I'm proud of you, ma'am. Good luck sa future endeavors. Love you. I miss you. Mwah.
Ma'am Azzy, wishing you the best in everything that you decide to do from now on. Kahit sad man na aalis ka, you know, we know that you're gearing up to do bigger and better things. And thank you so much for all the bonding, for all the laughs we've shared. Sobrang mamimiss ka namin. Super duper duper. Mwah! Ingat you!
Hi. But then, I'm so happy for you na step by step, nararating mo na yung dreams mo. Konti na lang. I know kung anong dahilan, bakit kailangan mong gawin yan. Not because of dahil gusto lang, but for the sacrificial love for your family. And sobra akong saludo sa'yo when it comes to that. I'm so grateful to know you, to work with you, and also to meet someone like you, not just a coworker, but a friend, and also yung someone that I can talk to easily, I can vent out easily, and everything. I pray to God that guide ka niya sa lahat ng magiging journey mo and endeavor mo, and I pray to bless you more emotionally, physically, mentally.